Welcome back, fourth grade writers. Today we are discussing how good nonfiction writers have strong conclusions. So, as you are nearing the end of your first research article, you should be working on your conclusion and thinking about, do I have everything that a strong conclusion has? Let's find out. Wrap it up. A strong conclusion should remind the readers of their important ideas, main ideas, and keep them thinking. Warning! No new information should be included here. Only information you've already discussed in your article should be in there. Do not include any new facts, research, or information. So, let's discuss some things that should specifically be in a conclusion. A good conclusion or strong conclusion should, 1, have a transitional phrase in the beginning, just like all of your other sections and paragraphs. Here are some examples of transitional phrases you can use in a conclusion. As can be seen, generally speaking, in the final analysis, all things considered, as shown above, in the long run, given these points, as has been noted, in a word, for the most part. After all, in fact, summary, inclusion, you guys can read the rest on your own, I'm sure. 2. A good conclusion should repeat the big ideas. You want to restate the main points of your article. What are the main ideas you want your reader to know and remember? Pull those facts from your body paragraphs, from your sections of your article, and bring those important ideas, those main ideas, down into your conclusion so that it stays in your reader's brain. 3. A good conclusion should have an ending statement. Your conclusion paragraph or a conclusion section should end with one of the following. A question. Give the reader something to continue thinking about. A wish or a hope. End with a positive statement about why this topic is important. A strong statement. End with a sentence that will make an impact on the reader. That wow factor, something profound or insightful. Leave them like this. Let's take a look at the example, the mentor writing piece about the relationship between the Europeans and the Native Americans. Specifically, let's focus on the conclusion. To sum it up, what started as a good symbiotic relationship did not end well. There's our transitional phrase, as well as the main idea of this whole article. It started out good and it did not end well. People got greedy for money and land. Once William Kieft started to lead and demand taxes, it turned their good relationship sour. Many died in the war that broke out between the colonists and natives. Those are those big ideas that were pulled from the sections above that the author wanted you, the reader, to remember. As a result, the war almost destroyed New Netherland. There's that wow factor. That's what they want the reader to remember and think. All of this almost resulted in the destruction of New Netherland. Okay? Let's review. A strong conclusion should have the following. 1. A transitional phrase in the beginning. Overall, in summary, to repeat. 2. Repeat the big ideas. Repeat those main ideas. Those ideas that you want your reader to remember. Those important ideas. 3. Have an ending statement. A question, a hope, a wow factor.